Welcome to the future of lighting solutions, where innovation meets efficiency. Primelight, in collaboration with Osram HubSense, unveils their latest demo kit. Experience wireless controls like never before, with seamless integration and configuration. This isn't just a solution, it's innovation. HubSense, engineered with you in mind, makes commissioning effortless. No more complex procedures, just a smooth, streamlined process saving you time, energy and resources. The demo kit demonstrates the bridge to integration, a tool that empowers lighting suppliers to integrate cutting-edge technology into their existing systems. It's not just a product, it's an all-encompassing solution. Imagine the benefits. Now add significant energy savings. HubSense delivers energy efficiency like never before. By integrating our wireless control solutions, you could see a drop in energy and running costs by up to 60%. And the best part? A faster return on investment than you might think, with potential payback in as little as 3 months. Primelight are lighting the way to a brighter, more efficient future.